continuing on. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me! God damn! What do you want, Twitter? Oh, okay. If you didn't know that was my phone notification, yes. My notification to my phone is a Pikachu notification. That scared the absolute shit out of me. Oh my god. You know what? This game didn't scare me.
Daniel? What? Still having nightmares, I see.
Yes. I can't shake them. They come every night.
We'll put a stop to them. You'll see.
Okay. As I was saying, I usually don't get scared, but when, well, I wasn't getting scared at this game, but when my phone has the notification, it scared the absolute shit out of me. Anyways, here.
May 17th, the day I was trapped inside the orb chamber, Herbert dryly states, recovered Daniel after 1 hour of entrapment. This confused me greatly. I was suffocating within minutes. How could I have lasted an hour? I continued reading the peculiar text. Herbert states his facts without judgment or passion, but suddenly I could read frustration into his text. He pushed his men to investigate the underground tomb, an effort which seems to have strained the minds of his men. Madness spread through the ranks, and Herbert had to take some extreme measures to continue. He finally visits the chamber himself, where he retrieves the orb to the surface. His account confuses me greatly. If he has the orb, what are those pieces in my drawing room?
Huh. Okay, something's gonna happen once I pick this up. Oh. Well. Nothing happened. Oh. Okay, well that's what the crowbar's for.
The key. Please, let it be here.
What do you want? An important key is hidden in this guest room. Oh, is it the key to the machinery room?
4th of July, 1839. It's done. The orb is assembled. I was awakened by an exhausting nightmare. Shaking and sweating, I retired to the drawing room with a cup of tea. The relic pieces lay spread across the table as I'd left them, but somehow I knew how it was supposed to be. I fetched the tar, which I had prepared to fix the pieces together, and without fault I joined them, producing the orb I remembered so clearly. The tar proved unnecessary. It was pushed out from the joining pieces as they merged on their own, with no adhesive. The ancient stone relic now rests on my table. Its immaculate surface and perfect shape could have been molded by a factory. This is all too strange.
It is all too strange. Maybe a little bit too strange. No, it's not there. It's there. Please go away. Well, where's the key? I didn't mean to like that.
Oh, thank God, there it is. I guess it is a good place to hide it then.
Is that the key? Oh, cool. Yes. We're done here. So, I don't think it's done yet. Oh shit, the fucking hell, Pikachu! Fucking dick. You cock-sucking Pokemon. That's it. That's it. Don't do that. No. Fucking. No. Don't need that. That's 2 times right now. 2 times. That he has done that.
Is anyone there? 5th of July, 1839. Today I went to the university looking for answers. I was able to sneak into Herbert's office and pick up an address book along with some relevant textbooks. Professor Taylor at the Faculty of History was very helpful, and I managed to approach the subject of the orbs. The most interesting aspect was the prevalent trace they had left in our culture. The mythic orbs may, in fact, have inspired the globus cruciger, which so many royal regalia holds to this day. In ancient times, the orbs were held by priests as a symbol of the sun and its power. As I was leaving, I overheard a disturbing conversation. Sir William Smith, the geologist, was killed last night. Less than a fortnight had passed since I'd asked for his expertise. I know it's silly, but I can't help feeling responsible somehow.
Okay. Alright, well I turned off the notification of my Pikachu thingy. Now it won't scare the shit out of me. There are only 2 spare rods left in the storage for the elevator machinery. What?! Make sure there's only 2, only discard the ones that are badly damaged and keep the others in the air steady. Wow. Oh. This is flat, so... Oh, I have 1 rod. Is it like supposed to go? I don't know, I'm not gonna place it yet. I'm gonna keep it like that. But
14th of July, 1839. I've read every book I can find on the subject. While rich in legend and hearsay, my knowledge is lack for the insight I crave. I've sent letters to many in Herbert's address book and received answers of varying importance. Today, I got one which differed greatly from the others. From a baron in Prussia. He said nothing about the quaint stories of priests in underground temples. He didn't even mention them. He simply wrote, "I know. I can protect you. Come to Brennenburg Castle. Signed, Alexander." What am I to make of this? Protect me from what? Is someone after me? I looked up Brennenburg and traced it to the Prussian woods near the Baltic Sea. While being the least informative letter I've received, it causes me greatest distress and interest. As I write, my thoughts are drawn to my nightmares in which a most disturbing sound calls to me. A sound defying description. A voice from the void. The last few weeks have been awful, with so many sleepless nights dreading a repeat of those horrid dreams. Tomorrow, I shall visit my physician, Dr. Tate, in hope that he can provide me with sedatives to help me sleep.
Okay. Okay, my sisters are just scaring themselves. Boxes do you actually? What are cogwheels? Oh. God damn it, this is like some sort of puzzle. Jeez. Oh. There we go. Set that up. Okay, it's full of coal. But I'm still missing those wheel things that I need. Are these it? Oh! Oh! I see. Oh, I've been seeing those around. I thought that they were just there, just because. Anyways, let's go get it then. Here's another one. Go down there. And there was another one right here. Shoot. They give it a slight glow. Actually. So get over there. And I shall go over here. Put it there. And put it there. And then I shall close that. Shall burn that. And then I shall before it will run. not done yet. Is there anything that would help me with? Bet you some of you are just screaming at me, just telling me what I need to do. I think my work is done here. It's just that. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think I'm done here. I can't find anything else. So, I'm just gonna go back. Here.
Something's wrong. Oh, so wrong. 17th of July, 1839. How has this escaped me? They're all dead. Limbs scattered, heads split down the middle, their skin flayed as if boiled. I feel like I'm falling into myself. What's happening? Sir William Smith, Professor Taylor, now Dr. Tate. Is it following me? How can it not be? It's the damn thing I brought from Africa. Something is after me. I have no choice but to trust the Baron. He better know what he claims. If he is wrong, I suspect he'll regret it as well.
Pressure. Then what's the code then? Did I miss something? Oh, okay. Friends playing Five Nights at Freddy's is very nice. You know, I'm playing here, Amnesia. Well, yeah, there's nothing else for me to do there. I can't find it. I think I have to go to the storage where the monster is. Let's go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I haven't started the machinery.
Don't forget your bag, Daniel.
I won't, Herbert.
There is no shame in using a parasol in the desert. As it happens, it's imperative to your survival.
But it looks ridiculous.
The shade will hurt much less than dying, I assure you.
And I really do a lot of stuff with Herbert here. That wasn't his name? Oh, well, fine, Herbert.